Welcome back to my channel. We are doing a vanilla sponge cake today. As you can see, it's very easy to do. We have 4 eggs. I put 4 eggs in the mixer bowl already, so 4 eggs. And then we have I'm using a cup to do the measurement. Just pick up any cup though. So I'm using this cup to do the measurement. So I have half a cup of brown sugar and 2 tablespoons added to it. So 2 tablespoons plus half a cup of brown sugar. I'm using brown sugar. I just like brown sugar, guys. It's very delicious. And also I'm using 100 grams of butter. This is salted butter, so you can if you use unsalted butter, you have to add a little bit of water. This is a little bit of salt, sorry. So you have to I'm using salted butter. And also I have 1/4 cup of flour. And then I'm going to add a teaspoon of baking powder, and I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I also add a tinge of lemon rind because it makes it taste really delicious. Okay, so let's get started, guys. Right, guys, so the first thing I need to do, I have my eggs in the mixing bowl, so I'm adding the sugar. Okay, the brown sugar. Okay, this is the sugar that I'm using. Okay, so I'm going to whisk it until it's really fluffy, and then I'll add the other ingredients. Right, guys, as you can see, it's very foamy and it's very fluffy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, just a bit more. And I need to add the vanilla extract. So I'm adding I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of it. Okay, and let it just work a little bit, and I'll add the butter. Right, guys, so I am adding the butter. I have to melt the butter. Okay, so I've melted the butter and I'm adding it to it bit by bit. You can see. So let's see how it goes. Right, so I'm adding the last bit. Okay, so I'll let it be on for about a minute or 2, and I'll take it out and then we put the flour in. Right, guys, so as you can see, that is our fluffy mixture. So what we're going to do, we're going to add the flour. I've already heated the oven to 185 degrees Celsius, or you can, if you are using Fahrenheit, it's about 365 Fahrenheit. Okay, so I will put I did a bit of rind, so I'm going to put that in, lemon rind. Okay, put that in before, and then I'm going to add my flour, so just a bit at a time. Okay, the mixture is really looking good. I'll add a bit more. Okay, and then mix it. I like it as it goes on one direction. Okay, so I'm going to put the last bit of the flour in the mixture. Make sure that you mix it thoroughly. Right, guys, as you can see, I've already mixed my cake mixture. It's really good, so I'm going to pour it into the cake. I've already buttered it, and I'm pouring it into the cake tin. Okay, so make sure I scoop everything out of it, and I'm going to put it in the oven, and that should take about 35 minutes. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so guys, as you can see, this is a very lovely cake, very nice. We just took it out of the oven and it's cooled, so we just want to see what it looks like. So we want to cut it. Wow, it smells really good. Wow, it's really fluffy, as you can see. Yeah, very lovely cake, and it smells really delicious. Please like this video, and please subscribe to my channel, put on your post notifications, so when I put on a new video, you'll be able to be notified of that. Thanks for watching.